I love bringing Triple D to the islands, man. I've been to Oahu, I've been to Maui, I've been to Molokai. Finally, I make it to the big island of Hawaii. So what do I do when I come here? I'm looking for some locals food. That is, if you're looking for some Filipino, Hawaiian, American twist, oh, I got your joint. It's right here in Broke Mount GRINDZ.
3 minutes on the burgers.
Food is always delicious and on point.
Loco Moco ready!
Broke GRINDZ is a favorite here in Kona because they provide a lot of local favorites.
Pork adobo plate coming right up.
Every time you come here, you're gonna get good food, the service is great, and I love the owners.
That would be husband and wife, Robin Gannier and Jean Nguyen, who are mashing up down-home food with some faraway flavors.
We make Filipino, Hawaiian, American food with a twist of my style. And
Where'd you learn to cook?
My family, they come from a cooking background, but it's, you know, the backyard boogie.
Right, with a dance move.
I went to Oahu, got some schooling.
Came back and did your own gig.
Yeah.
It's a new style of cooking Hawaiian food.
Garlic furikake chicken.
Furikake chicken is so awesome.
It is like taking the best piece of Southern fried chicken and upping it up a notch.
The sauce is like a sweet, garlicky sauce that is like amazing.
First, we're gonna start with the marinade for the chicken.
Yes, sir. Soy sauce.
A little bit of brown sugar, just 2 teaspoons or 4 pounds.
White sugar, black pepper.
A mess of garlic.
A mess of garlic. Furikake.
So you got the dried seaweed and the sesame seeds.
Yeah, that's it. Bring it to a boil for 3 minutes.
Yeah, we're gonna marinate the chicken in this?
No, we're gonna deep fry it first.
We're gonna deep fry the chicken and then put this on it?
Yeah.
Boneless but skin-on chicken thighs, dusted in the flour, a little bit of granulated garlic.
Yeah. Now our chicken is ready to fry, 12 to 15 minutes.
What temperature is the fryer?
350. In Hawaii, we say tree.
350. Next up,
Chili pepper
chili wada.
Hawaiian rock salt, minced garlic, the sriracha, sweet chili sauce, and Hawaiian chili peppers.
Get that with an immersion blender. And where's this sauce gonna go?
It goes on everything.
This is gonna give you the tang, the sweet, and the
tang,
heat.
The sweet. It'll make you dance.
You don't want to see that.
Yeah.
Chicken fries up, boom, it's done.
And we're just gonna dip it into the sauce. You just cut it up, like so.
3 thighs. Load it up, chef.
Just give it an extra drizzle on top. Furikake.
That's how you get it done right there. Is this more Filipino or more Hawaiian?
That's more of like a Hawaiian local.
That's my kind of food right there.
All right.
The crunch of the chicken, outstanding. Like over the top. The sweet that you're getting from the dip with the soy, brown sugar, and the garlic. It's great, but it's the contrast that you get from the chili water makes it sing.
Woo.
You ain't wearing board shorts after you eat this. You're a mumu.
The garlic furikake chicken.
The chicken is absolutely incredible. The sauce has this syrupy flavor to it with a real sweet back end.
It's super tender on the inside. It's really crunchy.
Yeah.
It's like a luau in your mouth.
Dancers and everything.